Now, if you've done any amount of painting, this is a no-brainer to you. I'm basically taping off this surface so that I can paint and make a straight line. This actually gets pretty tricky because where the line should be is kind of subjective. Like this shield is pretty, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's pretty ugly. It's pretty irregular. It's not flat. You know, it's kind of crooked. Determining where this line's gonna go is, you know, kind of a challenge because your brain might tell you one thing 1 minute and then tell you something else the next. The good thing is that it's like kind of impossible to mess up. Alright, so remember we have our ghouls here, which means white, of course, in the parlance of heraldry. I might have to re-record this later if I'm not right. Ghouls and sable. And here, sable's black. And when you tape stuff off, obviously you don't put the tape right on the line. You put the tape off on one side of the line because the edge of the tape is going to be the line itself. That's another tip from Lord Obvious. Lord Obvious. The tape's got to be nice and flat. Alright, this is kind of tricky because this shield is all kinds of wonky. It's all kinds of messed up. It's all kinds of asymmetrical. So I'm just going to step back and take a look at this. Oh, shoot. Glove! Oh, come on, glove! Why are you doing this to me, glove? Yeah, this is already kind of messed up, I can tell. The tape is already off center. That's okay, just pull the tape off, do it again. Yeah, this shield is not going to be pretty when we're done. Truth be told, I was kind of trying to avoid putting half paint on these bolts here. Because when you got a bolt that's painted, and you gotta match the background, that's kind of a pain in the butt anytime you want to change the hardware. So you gotta remember which bolt goes where. Bless you, Battle Dog. Battle Dog just sneezed. Yeah, that's not right at all. Ah, still crooked. No sense in overdoing it. This shield is not going to look completely balanced no matter what we do because it's already kind of so irregularly shaped. And these lines may not come out as clean as we want them to too because this surface is so irregular that the tape is not binding to it very well. These lines will come out nice and clean for sure, but these ones up here on the top and bottom probably won't do so well. They'll probably be a little... Ah! Glove! Alright, shake, shake, shake. I don't know if that really matters with this part because this paint has always... gets so dry that it's just got a skin on the top. I always gotta punch a hole in it. It's like opening up a portal.